Okay guys, this is Firearms and Sirens, dude in Toilets and Trains, 1996 here. I'm gonna do a firearm tour of the mall, including the outdoor arms. Here's the two special order Vances. And I'm gonna go inside the mall too. I don't open until 12, but you can still walk in the hallway. I'm not gonna do 100%, I'm not gonna go get all the arms because there's so many of them here. I'm gonna get the haul and stuff. This does come with some risk though. Here's the bell. How about we're on memory? Still we're in the zoom. Okay. Bike's oh, come on, bike. I'm stuck, folks. I'm stuck. Oh, come on, man. I gotta get off. I am stuck. Okay, here we go. I got stuck for a second. I'm already at 1 minute already. Wow. I don't know. This might have to be split in parts. I'm already at a minute already. That's quick. I'm not sure if this camera can keep up. They said structural classic to Target here when they had a Target, but Target's officially closed, so I can't go in there. That's the thing, I got 15-minute upload limit on YouTube too, so I can't be screwing around that much. I'm already at 2 minutes. How do you feel about this? This is a big sale. Oh, if it is, I'll make a part 2. And it's only 11 o'clock in the morning too, so some of the malls open. Get this done as fast as they can. Hurry up, 3 minutes already, darn. Time does fly. I got 2 arms. Right here. It's getting warm out here too. Oh, I'm already at 3 minutes already. Darn. It's too hot out here too. Special advance. Four minutes, folks. How am I going to get this in one video? That's okay if I don't, because I can always record. The mall is always open, so not the full mall. There's a third farm right. This is pretty risky to do because my memory could run out. Anything could happen. Something back here too. I'm already at 5 minutes. I don't like that. It's okay, but try and be quick because yet. Probably been 5 minutes since I circled it. Hope I don't run out of space. That's the biggest risk. Now I'll just delete some videos and make a part 2. I'm really not worried about. But yeah, make a part 2. There's our Advance right there. How am I gonna get this one? Okay, stop. I ain't getting that close here though. Another Advance, okay. There's where we go in the law. See, we are taking a big risk though. Just calm down. I gotta shut it up for the 13 minutes though, because I think YouTube still has that limit where you can't, or it won't upload if you go past the 13 minutes. Now we're gonna go inside. 6 minutes, holy moly. Oh, come on. There we go. Whoa. Warm. Starting to get hot out there too. Whoa. I don't know guys, 7 minutes already, wow. Oh gosh, I don't run out of space. This tour might not. Well, I am getting a tour, but oh my gosh. This is harder than I thought it would be. I'm going to shut this off and make a part 2. Oh my goodness. Oh. Sorry guys. The heat's getting to me now. There's another device right there. Oh. There, caught that true alert. I just warm that so I gotta watch my tag because this thing can run out of space. Hello! Security's right there too. And we're at 10 minutes. Focus, camera, focus! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna shut this off. Please. We're already at 10 minutes. It's a lot of arms in here too. Another one. Ooh, I did a tour here before, but half mall's not open yet. I mean, you can walk through here, but I'm already at 10 minutes. I know. Oh. "11 minutes, crap." Okay guys, I'm gonna shut this off. Stay tuned for part 2.